water?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
You want to ride on a boat?
Yeah.
A big boat?
Yeah.
Oh, was it a big boat?
Yeah. Right. Right.
Rides?
Yeah.
You went on rides?
Hit monkey.
Monkey?
Yeah.
A monkey ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A monkey was on top of the boat? Was there a
Yeah.
monkey in the boat?
Yeah.
Really?
There was a monkey.
Yeah.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
What did he do?
Right.
He ride? He ride with you?
Yeah.
The monkey rode with you in the boat?
Yeah.
And it was raining?
Yeah.
It was raining.
Did the monkey scratch any of the kids?
Yeah.
Did it scratch them like, oh, did the monkey scratch somebody?
Yeah.
Oh,
Did he take your cookie?
Yeah.
Sometimes monkeys take cookies from little kids.
Yeah.
that's a bad monkey.
Was it a mean monkey?
Yeah.
Whoa.
What other rides did you go on, Alex?
Boat.
Boat ride.
Oh.
Yeah.
Big boat?
Did they have cars that you could ride on?
Yeah.
Oh. Did they go fast?
Yeah.
Whoa. How fast did they go? Did they go this fast?
Yeah.
Really? Or
Yeah.
did they go this fast?
It's right.
It's fast.
Oh.
It's right.
Oh.
Were they scary?
Yeah.
Really?
Scary cars?
Yeah.
Did you go fast in them?
Yeah.
You're a big boy.
Yeah. Go find boat.